Everyone knows say Edo APC and their party leaders na im be the real land grabbers for Edo. Crusoe Osagie na im talk this one. This story dey come to you from the studios of TMC TV and radio. My name na Osagie Ajakaye. Edo State government don reply the criticism wey dem receive from the main opposition party for the state, All Progressives Congress, sake of the demolition wey happen for Iriri, Obazagbon, Ogege communities. Crusoe Osagie, wey be the special adviser to Edo State government on media and strategy, don talk say All Progressives Congress for Edo State na im be the main land grabbers for inside Edo. Crusoe Osagie talk say the party leaders don dey quarrel sake of say government don dey repossess land for Iriri, Obazagbon, Ogege communities sake of say when dem dey office, APC promote the possession of community land through people and organizations before the 2020 Edo governorship election wey dey call themselves Lion and Tigers. Na this one be the reason when Governor Obaseki come leave the APC. Osagie talk say the people when they under APC na dem dey cause katakata for Edo State, they use violence to collect properties and money from people. This group, wey be mostly youth groups, are members of the Community Development Association wey government don ban for the state, do plenty bad things for the state sake of say APC dey support them. Osagie talk say APC for this land matter no get authority to chook her inside. He talk say dem dey fear say na dem be the real criminals and hand go soon meet all of them. Osagie talk say APC government dey give plenty trouble, lawlessness and constantly oppress people, say dem dey encourage bad people to collect money from communities and fund party politics and constantly reward their friends. Make una remember say for 8 years ago, when the former governor of Edo State, Comrade Anas Oshiomhole, dey office under APC, he no create layout but he give land from neighboring communities to Eyamo for Esako West local government area for Edo State. Na sake of say Governor Obaseki no gree continue this bad thing, na im cause the fight between him and APC. The governor don declare war on top land grabbers, and anyone wey dey pretend to fight for the people, their plan no go work sake of say this war dey total and dem must win am. Edo people, when APC don do strong thing for years, no better today, and dem dey thank Governor Obaseki for wetin he don do to land grabbers for Edo State. Our tori person for Government House, Oluwatobi Odeshola, just yarn us now say the Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Nekari, don talk am say the verification exercise for Obage Ogege New Town project go begin on Monday, October 10, 2022. Him talk say land grabbers for Edo don dey face tough time and come say make individuals, groups wey get valid documents come the project site for their enumeration. This story they come to you from TMC TV and radio studios. Na Ambrose Agbonevari na dey in charge of camera for this production, and our Loretta Ojesele na be the linear editor. Nosa Idele Ogbede na produce this report. My name na Osagie Ajakaye. No forget your PVC na be your power. No sell and give any politician on election day.